Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be starting a new series called integrating Document360 into your app. And Document360 is basically this website which allows you to create a sort of blog, and it's called a knowledge base. And basically what it does is it just lets your customers know. So if you're a big company, your customers would go to the website, and they could just find out sort of troubleshooting tips, and it's really just anything really. You can write articles and things. So I'm going to be making a series on how you can integrate it into your app, and in the first episode I'm just going to be creating the UI. So Document 360 app demo, and I'll create a new folder, Document 360 demo, and you can go and check it out. I think it's document360.com, and I'm going to be creating a project and using APIs, and then just making it so that you can view the knowledge base inside of your app. But in this first video I'm just going to be creating the UI. So it's pretty simple. All we really have to do is create a dummy app, and I'm going to get rid of that, bring in a tab view controller, tab bar controller, that's what I meant. So if I bring this over here and bring this down below, I just like to have it down below, it's a lot neater. Okay, and here we go. So item 1 can be named, this will be the main screen, and I don't really know what to do with this. I guess I could link this up to the view controller, and I'm not really going to be creating any files. Actually I will, but not really going to do any coding today, because it's just going to be creating the UI. But here, this can be our help screen, help, and I don't really know what image to make here. Let's see. This doesn't really matter, I can just do it later. Let's see, so it's question mark though. Okay, there we go. So I can have a question mark here, and I'll just have a square for main. So if I just set this background color to something like indigo, and run this app so far, this isn't it, but I'm just going to be seeing what's happened so far. Oh, I just realized this is not initial and we need it to be. So let's run this again, and there we go. So there's nothing in the main. I guess I can just make this any image. I'll just make it a pencil. Run this again. So this is your main app, and then if you want help, you can go to the help tab, and now we can start creating our help tab. So basically what it is let me drag in 2 more view controllers, controller and view controller, and I'm also going to have a navigation controller. So if I just embed and this is going to be here, and then this leads to this, and basically we can link up these segues. Actually I'll just add a navigation bar in now, navigation controller. Okay, so basically we're going to have a table view here, and this is going to be for our categories. So if we had a knowledge base about I don't know, books, we could have categories like sports, fiction, and then if you click on one of those, if you clicked on the sports one, you'd have articles over here, so like golf, football, basketball, and then this will be our article viewer, and this is just going to be a web page, but it's going to be in a special format so that it looks like it's on the actual app, and this will just have your article about football or golf or something. So we can just do that by creating table views and centering them in here, and creating cells, just labeling it cell, since we aren't going to really have anything special. But if you want to add like an image next to it or something, then you can do that. Another table view in here, and add a cell, and this can be called cell again, and finally we'll have a WK web view, and this can just go in here, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and I'm also going to create 2 new screens, so we can have well, actually 3 more. So we're going to have the category viewer. I'm so bad at spelling category viewer. And this will be for the first screen. Oh my god, I spelled. Let's see. Okay, I've definitely spelled that wrong. Category, is it that? Yeah, okay, so there's no R. Oh, delete. Move to trash. Category viewer. And this is the first screen. The next screen will be article viewer. Article viewer. Oh. And the final screen, I'm just going to call it article reader. Article reader. Okay, so now what I can do is just link up all these screens. So we have the category viewer. Why is it just category? Oh, you know, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yeah, we'll fix that later. This will be our article viewer. Article viewer, and finally this will be our article reader. And we can just set these to. We'll set this segue to be called articles, and we can call this one reader. Alright, and I'll probably have to reference that later on, but now we can just test how this looks so far. And yeah, so click on help, and this is our table view. So yeah, oh actually I should probably link up all of these just so that it's ready for the next episode, where I'm going to be we're not actually going to be doing any code next episode. I'm just going to be showing you around Document360. So table view, and this is the next one, table view, and web view is a bit different, but we can do it anyway. So just go to here, set this to web view, and we are going to have to import WebKit here. Delete all of this. Okay, so that was for today's video. We just created the UI for our app, which is demonstrating Document360. Why can't I? Okay, and in the next video I'm going to be setting up the project in Document360 and showing you guys how we can link them. So yeah, I think this might be a 2 or 3 part tutorial, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the future part of this series. Bye!